In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a job cost report in QuickBooks for contractors. If you want accurate reporting on how much each job is really costing you, the key is making sure your QuickBooks online setup is ready before you start entering expenses. Once that foundation is in place, the reporting becomes much easier and much more useful. The first thing you need to do is enable project and expense tracking. To do that, click the gear icon and open Account and Settings. From there, go to the Advanced tab and turn Projects on. Then open the Expenses tab and make sure Track Expenses and Items by Customer is also turned on. These settings are important because they allow QuickBooks to connect costs directly to specific jobs, which is what makes job costing possible in the first place. Next, set up your cost codes using products and services. In QuickBooks, these cost codes are typically created as standard items or categories, and they help you organize your construction costs by phase or trade. Go to Sales, then Products and Services, and add new non-inventory or service items for the types of work you want to track. For example, you might create items for framing, electrical, plumbing, or other common phases in your projects. Keeping these clearly named and consistent will make your reports easier to read later. Once that's done, you'll need to record costs against the correct job every time you enter them. This includes expenses, bills, and time cards. Open an expense or bill, and in the Line Items table, enter the appropriate cost code in the Product or Service column. Then, in the Customer column, assign the exact project connected to that cost. This step is crucial. If the cost code is missing or the project isn't assigned properly, the report won't reflect the true job cost. So it's worth taking an extra second here to make sure each line is categorized correctly. After your expenses are logged, you're ready to run the job cost report. Go to the Projects tab, select the exact project name, and then open Project Reports. From there, click Project Profitability. This report gives you a clear view of the costs tied to that project and helps you understand overall performance. If needed, click Customize in the top right to adjust the date range or filter by specific vendors, subcontractors, or materials. You can also find this report through the Main Reports menu by searching for Project Profitability Summary. That's how to create a job cost report in QuickBooks for contractors and keep your project cost tracking organized and reliable.